Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Marble Phone World. As you all know, the world is evolving around now. So the best way is to make money inside your house with your phone and laptop. And what is the best way you can do that? That is through cryptocurrency. And I'm going to be taking you along with me with the journey. So we have to start from the basic. So you go to your trust wallet. Like I said, you start from the basic. And mind you, I'm not a financial advisor. If you are not interested, please kindly, then this channel is not for you. So you go to your Play Store, search for Trust Wallet. As you can see, I already have Trust Wallet in my app in my Android phone before. So if you don't have, you just install it. Since I already have mine, so I'll just go to the app straight and let's get started. Straight to business. If you want to open a wallet in your Trust Wallet, this is how you can do it. Go to this wallet, then create a new wallet. I understand. So guys, after you've agreed to their terms and conditions, it will bring you to this your recovery phrase. Mind you, this 12 word, you have to write it down somewhere so that you can keep it safe. So that if you lost it, then your wallet is gone. After this, it will take you somewhere, you write the phrase accordingly. Then after that, you press continue and you are good to go. So guys, well done. You have successfully created your Trust Wallet. Welcome to the club. Done. Okay, guys, as you can see, we are all set. So we can be wondering that why should we have Trust Wallet? Because it can access all blockchain like PEP20, ERT20. So, guys, I'm going to like if you want to name your Trust Wallet another thing entirely, let's go there. As you can see, it's in wallet, multi-coin wallet 2. Multi-coin wallet 2. I just name it. I want to make it. I want to make it. Or you can name it Big Bag. Or to the moon, anything you can just name it, anything. So I will name mine to the moon. Okay, to the moon. So we are all set and we are good to go. So guys, for security purpose, if you want to add security to your Trust Wallet phrase, then go here. All this thing will not be on, it will be in off mode. So as you are going to go there to turn it on, not off. This is off. You are going, so as you can see, you are going there to turn it on. So I turn mine off and I turn it on back by putting my passcode there. And also guys, if you don't want many people to know how rich you are, you can we talk about how to hide and or hide your portfolio. It's just easy like this. Done. Then we are good to go. Just click here. Like we don't want people to know how rich and blessed crypto has made. Okay guys, that's all for now. As I said, Trust Wallet is for the basis. In our next video, we'll be going deep more into cryptocurrency. We'll be showing you how to buy and sell centralized and decentralized exchange. We'll show you everything. So guys, stay tuned and be happy. As I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just one crazy girl doing YouTube. Okay, guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification so when I drop a hit, you will be notified. So leave in the comments below on what you want me to talk about.